Any second now, the weekly test is going to start. Yep. July 15th. Come on.
To 35 miles on midnight. Assault or wind values as low as 0. Friday, mostly sunny. Much cooler with highs in the mid-20s.
Okay.
North winds 10 to 15 miles an hour, diminishing to around 5 miles an hour in the afternoon. Wind chill values as low as 0 in the morning. Friday night, mostly cloudy until midnight, then becoming partly cloudy. Lows around 20. Saturday and Saturday night, mostly clear. Highs in the mid-30s.
Any second.
Highs in the 40s.
I think it's going to go off any minute now.
The dew point hour, producing a wind chill of 19.
Yes.
The pressure was 30.51 inches and falling. Across eastern Nebraska and southwest Iowa, it was sunny with a temperature of 32 at Lincoln, 28 at Millard, and 32 at Columbus.
Okay. Here we go in 3, 2, 1. Turn down your volume. Look at that. Look at all this stuff going on 20s.
This is the National Weather Service in Valley, Nebraska. The preceding audio signals and alarm tones were a test of NOAA All Hazards Radio Public Warning Alarm System for transmitters across eastern Nebraska and southwest Iowa, as well as neighboring portions of Kansas and Missouri. During potentially dangerous weather situations, specially built receivers are automatically activated by the signal to warn of the impending hazard. The alarm tone causes weather radio receivers to be turned on
Good
automatically.
job. Okay, we got all the weather radios.
Broadcast.
That way, I feel because I turned off that. Oh, yeah, wait,
Wednesday at 11:15 a.m. If there is a threat of severe weather, the test is then postponed until the next available non-severe weather day. Once again, this
Yes,
has
it's
been a
a
weekly test
couch.
of the NOAA All Hazards Radio Public Warning Alarm System. We now return to our regular programming.